Okay, we're getting you details, visuals that are coming in from Anantnag. Omar Abdullah attending the funeral of a local. This was also something that the Chief Minister had been told to do, and Omar Abdullah also there at that funeral of the local. He's a local who was shot dead in the Pahalgam terror attack.
ये बहादुरी का सबूत दिखा रहे थे। वहाँ लोकल सुनने में आया है कि ये एक शख्स थे जिन्होंने हमले को रोकने की कोशिश की और जिन्होंने शायद बंदूक छीनने की भी कोशिश की और तभी जाके इनको निशाना बनाया गया। अब जैसे इनके घर वालों ने अभी जनाजे से पहले बात की, इस खानदान का हमें ख्याल रखना होगा, इनकी मदद करनी होगी और मैं यहाँ इन सबको यकीन दिलाने आया हूँ कि इस मौके पे हुकूमत इनके साथ खड़ी है और जितना हम इनके लिए कर सकेंगे हम कर लेंगे।
सर हुकूमत इनके साथ खड़ी है. It should have happened yesterday is what the Chief Minister should have said. Yesterday is what the Jammu and Kashmir police should have done in Pahalgam much earlier by being there. Omar Abdullah attending funeral there, making those perfunctory words there. We're going to quickly cut across to Baramulla, where we're going to be getting a press conference from. We're also being told there is another press conference happening, but we're going to wait for that. We're also being told that we've just had an exclusive conversation. Okay, first I'm going to go across to Rakshita, my colleague, joining us from Lal Chowk. Rakshita, we're seeing once again just hearsay from a chief minister in Jammu and Kashmir who should in the first place have not been there. We didn't need a chief minister who didn't have any security taking place in Pahalgam, and now he's attending this funeral. There is a lot of bravado and hukumat talks from him. It's shameful that these words are coming. It is spoken, but nothing is being done by them.
Absolutely, of course, there are many questions that are to be raised, of course, as far as what has happened there. Can I just get the fallback, please cut down? I'm getting my own echo, so I can't speak properly. PCR, please listen to me. The thing is, Rhythm, that there is a big-time security issue that has been reported. It's a tourist place, it's a tourist picnic spot where this attack had happened, obviously, in Pahalgam. And there were kids, there were women, and there were so many people, young and old, who were in fact, holidaying. They were just spending some moments together with their families in their own country. And, this is something that Omar Abdullah should understand as a chief minister. Now, he has been fighting for elections, that elections should be brought back. We want elections in Jammu and Kashmir, and now we see that elections are happening. He is now elected as a chief minister. So now, such words, of course, completely show that his loss of control, how the blame game is only mounting while people have been killed in broad daylight, mercilessly, without any fault of theirs. And there has been no security that has been shown by the chief minister, was the one who always said before the election that, let us come to power, we'll make things better, we will fix the issue, we know the issue, we are from Kashmir, we know it better than you or anybody else in the country. But this is the answer. Omar Abdullah has been shown the mirror, I think, here, and he's just trying to deviate from the from what has happened.